Hey guys, it's Drake back with another video. But I can't post. I'm barely getting any views. I only have 1 subscriber still. Please let me know what y'all like, what kind of content I should be uploading and all that. Please, here we go. This is my last Call of Duty video until y'all tell me what y'all like. I mean, if you don't tell me, I'll still be uploading these for a while. I mean, I'm not trying to force y'all, but please hit that like and subscribe button. I mean, it would mean the world to me. And smash that like button. Let's open. Guys, this pre-match is taking forever to actually get into a real match. I don't even know what to do, man.
Contact with enemy.
Please let me know what y'all like. So, I mean, I'm forgetting about y'all. I'm sorry. I can get a better setup. I'm playing on mobile. I don't really know how to post on Xbox because that's what I use. Like I said, I got a new Xbox controller. You know, so I don't know how to post it. I know I say this all the time, but if any of y'all know, please let me know in the comment section. But let's get into this. So I'm doing pretty good with this actually.
Targets in sight.
But the reason I'm not trying to talk to y'all that much is because I'm actually really trying to focus a lot. But oh, don't think I forgot about y'all because I didn't. Just trying to focus, you know. Focusing is the key. Focusing is the key. These headphones, whatever, earbuds. Oh my, this guy's so annoying. Guys, if you ever come across him, please report him. I'm just kidding, don't. It would be so good if he was though, for real.
Enemy contact! Keep on winning this one.
Yeah.
You've taken the lead.
Oh, okay, that's good, I guess. Did you know? No, I'm just kidding. Oh, I actually am filming videos. I like to pretend I am and like talk to myself a lot. That's it for this video. Please let me know what smash a like. Bye guys.